Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable workplace stock plan enrollment with Carta, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable workplace stock plan enrollment with Carta, begin by logging into your Carta account. Navigate to the dashboard once you are logged in. Locate and click on the settings option in the left-hand menu. In the settings menu, find and select Stock Plan Administration. Look for the enrollment section within the Stock Plan Administration. Click on the Enable Enrollment button to start the process. Next, review the enrollment options presented to you. Select the appropriate stock plan for your employees. Fill in the required fields for the stock plan details. Set the enrollment start and end dates according to your preferences. Decide whether to enable automatic enrollment for eligible employees. If you choose automatic enrollment, specify the criteria for eligibility. Review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. After confirming everything is correct, click the Save Changes button. A confirmation message will appear indicating that enrollment has been successfully enabled. Inform your employees about the new enrollment process and any deadlines. Monitor the enrollment progress from your dashboard as employees begin to enroll. Be prepared to answer any questions or concerns your employees may have about the stock plan. Regularly review the plan and make adjustments as necessary based on employee feedback or changes in regulations. This process will ensure that your workplace stock plan enrollment is set up efficiently with Carta. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.